This is Tommy the little train. He's small but full of dreams.
Choo-choo! I'm ready for today's adventure.
Good morning, Tommy. Where are you off to today?
I want to see the Rainbow Bridge.
Bye, Tommy. Have fun.
Choo-choo! See you soon, friends.
Hop, hop. Go, Tommy, go.
Choo-choo! Thanks, friends.
Oh, wow. This tunnel is so shiny.
Tommy wasn't scared. He was curious.
Puff, puff. I can do it.
You're strong, Tommy.
Oh, no. The track is blocked.
Don't worry. We'll help.
Poosh, poosh together.
Thank you, friends. Now I can go.
Wow. The Rainbow Bridge is even more beautiful than I dreamed.
Tommy's dream had come true.
Yay! Tommy did it!
Choo-choo! With friends and courage, any dream is possible.